Well, Lee, you're through to the semi-final of the Welsh Cup. Congratulations. Was today all about the attitude of the players?
Yeah, solely was that. You know, we didn't want to have a cup upset on our hands. Unfortunate to Trearddur Bae have lost today, but congratulations for getting as far as they did in the Welsh Cup. Give a good account of themselves, and you know, we done what we needed to do. Now is be in the hat for the next round.
It was the perfect start for Fflint, and it was the perfect start for you as well. Talk us through your goal.
Basically, I watched Aussies, but we're doing it all week. I seen him go down the line. I knew if I get across the front post, that he'll find me. And lucky thing he did. It was a nice tap in.
I mean, Sebi obviously has just signed for you recently now in the transfer window. Fun to play with?
Oh yeah, he's been really good. He's very direct. He wants to get out players and he wants to just try and supply or score. And to be honest, he's done well today. I thought he was going to get a goal, but unfortunately it wasn't his day.
Yeah, Siomedig iawn. Ddim dechrau ar yn eisiau. Y peth oedd, da ni wedi weithio I trio stopio golio fel yna. Ond dyna ni, I bod yn onest, oedden nhw levels heddiw. Oedden nhw'n lot mwy ffit na ni. Oedden nhw'n cadw meddiant y dda, a knocio ball around bob man. So, oedd yn gêm anodd I ni heddiw. Ond, chwarae teg I ogi ni, da ni wedi trio gorau. A da ni wedi cael Cwpan, Welsh Cup dda season yma.
We made it far more difficult for ourselves than it should have been, I think, and that's no disrespect to Trearddur Bae. I think too many touches, too many offsides, too many sort of force in the game, but clean sheet, 3 goals. Really pleased to be in the next round of the hat, and it's the first time in 70 odd years I think Fflint have been in there, so really good for the club to get some accolades.
Rai fi ofyn y cwestiwn yma I chdi, mae wedi bod yn adag anodd i'r clwb yn yr wythnosau ola yma. Oedd I ella just yn teimlo braf bod yn ôl ar y cae heddiw?
Ie, hollol. Oedden ni'n gorfod postponio 2 gêm wsos ar ôl y gêm Port. Mae wedi bod yn bythefnos anodd iawn i'r clwb, really. Wedi testio clwb yn lot o, wel, doth o dipyn ffordd. So, ie, neis I cael ar y cae. A gennym ni Prestatyn a Bangor, a gennym ni quarter final arall I edrych ymlaen I gobeithio fyddwn ni'n medru cael I semi-final yn y League Cup hefyd.